In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp notifications and stop all those pesky emails, all within just 5 minutes. If you find yourself overwhelmed by email notifications from ClickUp, or just want to streamline your notifications for a cleaner inbox, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into these simple steps and regain control over your notifications. First, you'll want to navigate to the ClickUp website. Open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see an option to log in. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, ClickUp offers several ways to sign in. For our purposes today, let's use the sign in with Google option. Go ahead and click on that. You may be asked to choose the Google account you want to use if you're not already logged in. Select the appropriate account to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be looking at your ClickUp workspace. Your next step is to locate your profile icon, which is also found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Notification Settings. You'll find a series of options here tailoring all kinds of notification preferences. Locate the email section. Typically this is set to a default that includes a host of notifications that may not be necessary for you to receive as emails. To adjust this setting, click on the default option and you should see a list of configurations you can modify. Here's the crucial part. Decide if there are specific notifications you want to keep receiving via email. If not, you can proceed to the option to disable notifications. Simply click on this and confirm your choice. Disabling unnecessary notifications is a simple but highly effective way to keep your inbox from overflowing and to ensure that you're only getting the most relevant updates in your email. And there you have it. You've now customized your ClickUp notifications to suit your needs better, and as a bonus, you've stopped those emails that weren't really adding any value to your workflow. Remember, adjustments like these can always be made if you find that you want to return some notifications to your inbox later on. Thanks for following along with this guide on setting up and managing ClickUp notifications. We hope this helps streamline your day, keep that productivity soaring. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy organizing,